Arrma Limitless V2 out here. This is like my test car. I use this to test stuff. So let's see what we can get. Hit track, hit start. Show that it's connected. Let's see if I can get a decent pass in. If I can get no traffic for a second. Okay, I look clear that way, here this way, see if I can get a pass in. It was losing control, I had to stop it. It was losing control bad. Oh. Try it again. There's a car way down there. Well, let's see. That was moving. That scared the shit out of me. That was moving. Whew. That scared me. Let's see what it did though. Stop. Read. 156. I did 156. That's PB for this car. 156. This is my test car. Let's see. Let's get up here and show y'all. I be testing stuff out on this car. So I had a rock or something I was using. Stop it from rolling. Like on this car, I test stuff out like I got like lock front diffs. I got no shocks in the front. My diffs are locked in the front, but stuff like that, I just be trying stuff out on this car to see how it works. You know, but I'm running a SRD V2. Everybody know everything about the car. It's just XLX2 1721 2400 kV Arrma Limitless. I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. It's a new PB for this car. Shit, this is the fastest Limitless I have. You know, so my other Limitless did 155, so this one just did 156. So it's like the fastest one I have. So I'm out. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm out.